We are Brightstar Resources, owner of the Laverton and Menzies gold projects, with a JORC resource of over 1 million ounces, located here in the eastern goldfields of Western Australia. We've just commenced mining at the SELKIRK open pit, one of the high-grade deposits we have at our Menzies gold project.
All of Brightstar's mineral resources at Menzies and Laverton are located on granted mining leases, which paves the way for future gold production at current record high gold prices. Menzies is a historic high-grade gold field with a total mineral endowment of over 1.3 million ounces of gold. The YUNNDAGA deposit at Menzies is a key underground opportunity for Brightstar and was historically mined 600 metres below surface.
Welcome to CORK, part of Brightstar's Laverton gold project. With a mineral resource of over 300,000 ounces, CORK is a key focus area for us as we look to restart mining operations in Laverton. We're actively exploring across both our Menzies and Laverton gold projects. Here we are partway through a 4,500 metre drilling program at CORK at our Laverton project. The Brightstar processing plant, located south of Laverton, was last run in 2012. Currently on care and maintenance, this infrastructure has a replacement value of between $50 and $100 million. The recently released scoping study envisaged the expansion and refurbishment of this infrastructure. With everything going on, it's a great time to get involved with us and our bright future.